Hello YouTube, I'm going to show you how to use a Fire tablet. This is the Fire Tablet 10 or any other Android device that does not have built-in GPS as a navigation screen. So what you want to go ahead and do is buy an external GPS like this. This is the Global-Sat BT821C, and this uses Bluetooth to connect to the tablet to send it your location. So what you want to go ahead and do is get the Google Play Store installed if you haven't already on the Fire tablet, and download whatever maps you want to use. I'm using Google Maps. And what you also need to get is the Bluetooth GPS app that enables the tablet to use the GPS from this. So once you already have all that installed, you want to turn on the Global-Sat, and then once that's turned on, I'm going to go ahead and place that up here on my dash, and then from there you want to connect to it via Bluetooth. It's this BT GPS. I'm already connected. The first time you connect to it, it should the password should be 400000, and then once you're connected to that, you want to open up the Bluetooth GPS app. And since I've opened this up already before, it's gonna show you how to enable mock location, which enables you to use the GPS from that instead of the non-existent built-in GPS. So once you get to this screen, all you want to do is press the play button down here in the bottom right, and there you go. I have my GPS signal already. So then I can just open up whatever maps I want to use. Here we have Google Maps, and then give it a second. Sometimes it works faster than others. Let's see. And there we go. Here I am outside of Kroger's in Oxford, Mississippi. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. This should work for any Android tablet that is Wi-Fi only, but it works great as a heads-up display for my truck whenever I'm doing long trips. And yeah, I highly recommend it. Thank you.